Hey John and Brian, my oil light keeps coming on and my engine's running fine. Sometimes it goes down to 0. Should I keep driving it? It's not knocking. What do you guys think?
Matt, the first thing is to make sure you have the proper amount of oil in your crankcase to do any testing.
Yeah, and you know what's in order is a manual oil pressure gauge reading, because you have an electrical and you also have a manual portion of the system.
Yeah, we've got the oil pressure sending unit switch right here above the filter. Very easy to disconnect the harness. I'm going to go ahead and back it out. You know how O2 sensors require a special socket? Same on these units.
Yeah, and I have a gauge right here. You can actually see it. And we were talking about electromechanical gauge. This is pretty cool because on this side, you actually have the oil coming from the block right above the oil filter adapter, pushing on this little sensor right here, a little Wheatstone bridge, which varies a resistance or a value and actually tells if it's on or off. So that's how the gauge works, Brian. You got it right there.
Yeah, right there. You can see that the action happens inside. That's the magic. Now to get this pressure gauge connected, a little bit of a reach. Thank goodness we're down low here on the lift. We get that started, and what we're going to do is Hossam's up top. We're going to have him crank it, turn it over a little bit, and we're going to get oil. We should get an oil pressure reading pretty quickly if everything's working.
All right, so I got it in there. You can actually see the gauge. What we're looking for, you know, look at your service manual, but hopefully 40, 50, 60. Go ahead and crank it up, Hossam. All right, we got about 75. That's good. Good. Shut it off. That's nice. Now, if you had oil pressure like that, Matt, and the lights aren't coming on, it's probably either the sensor or the wire harness. If you don't have oil pressure,
don't go anywhere.
Not a good idea.
Not a good idea.
Absolutely. Hey, the Malibu, wow, the throttle body, took it on a test drive, cleared the codes. You know, you went on that short test drive and it came right back. I went pretty far, no problem, idling great. Man, we got that one whooped.
Great. You know what? The job wasn't all that hard to do. It was the relearning that throttle body plate that was the key to that repair. I love that.
Yep. Unfortunately, we're out of time for today. So follow us on Facebook, Twitter, look us up, man. We love the questions, we love the comments. But we'll be back next week with more Tech Garage presented by RockAuto.com right here at Chipola College Luxurious Tech Garage Studios.